A professional demeanor and polite communication matter when you're in a customer's home. Inappropriate conduct or communication can not only impact your reputation but can also lead to loss of trust and business. A customer's home is their personal space, and respecting that is of utmost importance. In situations where your job involves entering someone else's home, like cleaning staff, it's essential to be mindful of your behavior. Rambling, excessive talking, or engaging in rude or obscene conversations can make customers uncomfortable. Remember, customers aren't looking for new friends, they want a well-cleaned house. Moreover, it's crucial to respect customer privacy. Avoid asking personal questions about their life or job. If they initiate conversation, listen, but remember to politely steer back to your work. Time is of the essence. Of course, a little small talk doesn't hurt. It shows your human side and assures customers you're not just robotic cleaners. But again, keep it minimal and professional. If you absolutely need to talk to a team member, do so quietly and discreetly. Loud conversations can give the impression of idleness instead of work. Let's touch on a significant issue: cell phone usage. It's a big no inside a customer's house unless it's an emergency. And while cleaning or operating company equipment, using a cell phone is strictly prohibited. Customers pay for our services by the hour, and distractions like cell phones can affect the quality of your work. Earbuds or headphones, while allowed, must be used responsibly. Keep the volume low enough to maintain awareness of your surroundings and communicate effectively when necessary. Now, let's talk about smoking breaks. It's important to understand that smoking is not permitted inside customer homes. Breaks should be taken outside, away from the property, and should not interfere with the cleaning schedule. Be mindful of lingering odors on your clothing or belongings, as this could affect the customer's environment. Continued disregard for these policies could lead to account cancellation. These rules are in place to maintain a professional and respectful environment for our customers. In summary, maintaining professional behavior and effective communication in a customer's home is paramount. Keep conversations minimal and professional, respect privacy, limit cell phone usage, and adhere to the smoking policy. These practices ensure a positive experience for the customer and help uphold the company's reputation.